Okay, so I'm picking up on the last part of 13, which is on page 551. So I'm on step number 6 here on page 551, which is doing a border. So if you select the table, which is by clicking up here in this box, we have the border style. And if we go to borders, we can choose the top one. And let me show you another way of going to that. If you click on the drop down box, you can choose top and bottom, and then it'll show you a top and bottom border there. So if you still have it, we're going to go into the layout tab here, and then in the paragraph group, so we're going to click anywhere here, and then we're going to add us some space here. So we're going to go, we're going to add some space before the paragraph so we can have some more room here. So notice that brought that down there. And then we should have enough room down up there between that text and there. So we're going to save that. And then let's print preview and see what we look like. Oh, I don't know what I just did here. I accidentally, good thing there's an undo, right? Save now. And I'm gonna, if you click print, it just gives you kind of a print preview here. We are not going to do on page 553 and 554, we're not going to present this online. Realize that you can do a presentation online by presenting a Word document online and recording basically a video, but you can do it that way. So we're going to just go back, and we're going to save this, and that's the end of 13A. Now you're going to save this as Word. Right now it's a Word document. We are also going to go Save As and save it into your Word Assignments folder. And I'm going to save this as here. But then I'm also going to save it as a PDF file so that I can have it and upload it. So you're going to upload that as PDF format. I'll open up what it looks like so far. And there you have it. It's a sample resume.